Marvin Leonard Goldberger was an American theoretical physicist and scientific leader whose work helped shape particle physics and guided major scientific institutions in the late 20th century. Born in 1922, Goldberger pursued physics with deep curiosity and mathematical talent. He earned his doctorate and quickly became known for his contributions to the theory of elementary particles, the tiny constituents that make up all matter and govern fundamental forces. Goldberger's research focused on understanding how particles scatter and interact at the smallest scales. He worked on theoretical models that describe how protons, neutrons, and other particles exchange forces and transform in high-energy collisions. These insights were essential for interpreting experiments at emerging particle accelerators. In addition to his scientific research, Goldberger played a vital role in science policy and leadership. He served as director of major research laboratories, helping guide the direction of scientific investigation and funding in the United States during a time of rapid growth in physics and related fields. His leadership helped nurture the next generation of physicists. Goldberger also served on influential committees and advisory boards, shaping national research priorities and fostering collaboration between scientists and policymakers. His efforts strengthened the scientific enterprise and helped ensure that fundamental research continued to thrive. Marvin Leonard Goldberger's legacy combines deep theoretical contributions with visionary scientific leadership, a blend that helped deepen our understanding of the subatomic world while steering science toward its future frontiers. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.